What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a knife from Kizer. This time around it is their Smolt knife. This is the first time I've seen a Kizer box in this color. Usually they're black and you have the logo and brand spark varnish and chrome smack down in the middle. This one's reversed. It's like a nice bone color with the Kizer logo in black. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And this is the type of box I'm used to. Very nice packaging here. Boom, let's go ahead and remove this. Inside, you're going to get your Kizer stickers. Boom, look at that. The angry koala. The knife itself. Put that aside. Microfiber cloth. The sheath. Bam. All the little silica gels got all over the place, and your typical Kizer warranty and user guide pamphlet with all the information on the inside and this nice imagery on the outside. Boom, looks very good. Let's go ahead and put that back, and let's take a look at the knife itself. Boom, very good looking knife. Look at that bad boy. The thing feels absolutely amazing. So this is a Styles design, the Smolt. Boom. The overall length of the knife, it's about 6.5 inches, 165 millimeters. The blade style is a drop point blade style. Absolutely looks fantastic. The blade length is about 2.93 inches, which is about 74.3 millimeters. The blade thickness is about 3.2 millimeters. Blade material is 3V. Now 3V has a toughness rating of 9, edge retention of 4.5, and a corrosion resistant of 5.5, which is actually pretty good. And it has a hardness level of 56 to 60 HRC. Absolutely fantastic blade material there to use for this Smolt knife. The handle itself is made out of G10 plus micarta, which you're going to ask, what is G10 and what is micarta if you're new to this knife game? Micarta is a brand for a composite of linen, canvas, paper, fiberglass, or carbon fiber or other fabrics in a thermosetting plastic. Basically, they're like smush and melted together, some sort like that. And G10 is a high-pressure fiberglass laminate composite material. It is made by stacking layers of glass cloth, soaking them in an epoxy resin, and then compressing and curing the material under heat. This process creates a strong, durable material that is resistant to chemical, moisture, and heat, which, in my opinion, looks absolutely fantastic. Look at this bad boy right here. Very good, very nice, good looking knife. The weight of the knife is about 3.16 ounces, about 89.7 grams, and looks absolutely fantastic. It feels fantastic in hand. The handle itself, you can get a nice grip. You do have this cutouts here at the thickness at the edge of the blade for added grip and support. The sheath itself, let's take a look at this bad boy. Looks absolutely fantastic. Just slips in place like that. You do have a belt clip style kind of button release. You press that, opens up. You can either slide your belt, put it on the backpack or anything like that. It is adjustable, so you can adjust it and put it however you want. And it clips on. It does not rotate. It's just push button release, which is absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Boom. And it didn't come with no paracord or anything of sort, but overall, this thing, oh, there it goes. That was in here. It's amazing. Nice lock in place. And then if you need to deploy it, you can deploy it like that. There's some more silicone. There you go. Boom. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. You can have this flipped on your side. Pull it whenever you need it, use it, and then put it back in place. If you have any questions regarding this Kizer Smolt knife, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.